Here I have PANASONIC Eluga i3 and let me show you how to capture screen on the following device. So let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following phone by using different methods. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it will be simply the list of settings. And let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down simultaneously. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together, power key and volume down together. And you just capture the screen. Now you can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just use the power key, tap screenshot, and you just save the screen. Let me show you again. Let's press power key, tap screenshot, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your pictures, let's use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured. You can also find the screenshot folder by using the apps icon right here. Then you need to find and select here photos. Let's allow photos to access a few things. Let me choose no thanks to signing in, and here you can choose your screenshot to share, edit, delete, or do other stuff with these pictures. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.